Hey, it's Pam here. And if you ever looked at Canva and thought, could I actually make money with this? The answer is a huge yes. I'm about to spill 10 Canva side hustles that you can start today. Even if you're not, your tech skills are, so grab your coffee, your wine, no judgment here, and let's jump in. Okay, so are you ready? All right. Now let's remember, Canva isn't just for making quotes on Instagram. I know that's what we all do. It and that can even be a income stream. But come on, there's so much more. Whether you got 30 minutes a day or if you're ready to just go all in and just create, you're going to find that these ideas that I'm going to tell you are very doable. Okay? So let's go. Let's get to number one. Number one, sell Canva templates on Etsy. We all know that, right? We all know that you can sell Canva templates on Etsy. Planners, checklists, social kits. Y'all, people are buying these up. People buy lined paper, so they'll buy this. Make it once and sell it. Repeat. If you go on Etsy and you check to see how much people sell and make on there, oh, crazy. Yes, I do know there's a lot, but you never know. So this is passive income. And please, come on, give it to me. Give me that passive income. All right, now, next is create printables for Teachers Pay Teacher. Okay, my BFF does this, and she makes, and also she has a membership and that teaches people, and I've seen the growth from them. And selling printables on Teacher Pay Teacher is a good thing. It works. You can make money, and if you like creating kids educational printables, this is the place for you. So, and also teachers need our help. You do not have to be a teacher to create and sell for Teacher Pay Teachers. Okay, teachers like to buy this stuff so they don't have to take the time to do it. So think flashcards, think classroom decor, think worksheets. Canva makes it so easy, and just being able to edit and change colors and fonts, and you can create one and then create another one for the next month. It's just amazing. So you can thank me later for that one. All right, now number 3, design Instagram or Pinterest templates. Social media managers, influencers, bloggers, they all need fresh content. Bundle up a few eye-catching templates and boom, your digital product is done. You're able to have a link in Etsy. You can put it there. Number four, offer custom branding kits. If colors and you like to make logos and do color palettes and fun stuff like that, this would be your wheelhouse. Okay, you don't need to be a fancy designer. Just create a cute logo, color palette, some IG highlights, and you got you a brand kit just like that. And guess what? People buy that. They sure do. Ask me how I know, because I've sold them. All right. So now next thing is make number 5. Make and sell ebooks or workbooks. Got something to teach? We all can teach something. All of us. There is something in you that you can teach. Okay. Package it up in an ebook or a workbook. Canva templates make it look polished, even if you're writing it at at nighttime or on your phone, stuff like that. It is super easy. Okay, coaches. Oh gosh, so many people would buy an ebook and workbook. Just so many. Like, okay, all right. Number 6, Launch a digital product shop on your blog. So you can do this through WordPress, of course. You can do it with, I think, WooCommerce, and amazing that you can do that right from your blog. Okay. So I also have a platform I use is Subtrio, and it has a shop. It has a blog too, it has a website, it has a shop. But I can create a shop right there on my platform. And okay, so think about that. You don't have to put your products up on Etsy. You can put them on your website, your blog. Okay. Now, create number 7. We're going 7. Create editable templates for coaches and course creators. Client welcome kits, branded guides, webinar slides. Coaches will eat this up and they will pay for it because they do not have the time to set it up. They have the info, they just don't have the foundation of like a welcome kit or a webinar slide. You get all that together, you give it to them, show them how to change up their, for their fonts or colors and stuff. Good to go. All right. Now on to number 8. Sell wedding or invite invitations. If you go on Etsy, you will see people make a very nice living just by selling wedding or event invites like birthdays. Okay. Canva can be your wedding side hustle. Let me tell you. And there's so much more that you can do with the wedding invites. Like you can put games in there for bridal. I could go on and on. Just what you can do is design beautiful templates that people can customize and sell. So you just sell them on Etsy. You give them template link, and then they can go in and change it to their name, change it to their date, all of that. Highly recommend doing a video to show them how to do it. Okay. All right. Number 9. All right. Now this one is, we're going to niche down a bit. So kind of think of like niche day planners or journals. Journals and planners are big sellers. A lot of us want to be organized. A lot of us need some kind of planner or journal in our life. I know I do. Okay. So, but pick a niche. Don't just make a random one. Pick one for moms. Pick one for students. Pick one for boss babes, right? Make a planner that they'll actually use. It's that simple. It really is that simple. And then number 10, 10, 10, 10. Start a Canva course or a tutorial channel, right? Right? I have a YouTube. It teaches Canva. I do make a little money from the YouTube in regards to just people getting products, but I will be, because I'm getting my numbers up there. So if you love teaching, show others how to use something. For example, Canva, but you think of things that are in your niche that you could possibly teach on YouTube. Okay. This could be any training, even reviews, monetize with affiliate links, sell your templates, maybe even launch a membership. Okay. So think about what all of these, they're pretty simple, pretty simple. Now, you want to know the easy button though? Join my membership, which is Template Treehouse. And I have pretty much all of these in there. Now, might have to do a wedding invite, but pretty much have a lot of mostly all this stuff in. And what best about it is, it's your easy button. I'm giving you these products. All you have to do is change one item, and that could be just the cover page, which is probably the best thing to do. You can change out colors, fonts, put your logo, bam, done. You're good to go. Okay? Yeah. Easy button. One easy button, Template Treehouse. Okay? So, I know I had to put that in there. Sorry. Not sorry. So there you go. Here's 10 ways to turn Canva into your favorite income stream. So in the comments below, tell me which one you're going to try first. And if you want a little help getting started, just put a comment, let me know. And maybe I'll give you a little example or something. Okay, so let's go make some magic and some money, and I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe, please. Okay, please. Thank you.